what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Somewhere in Ann Arbor on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So to play this song, you're going to put your capo on 1, and the chords you'll need are C, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open, G, 3, 2, open, 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 3, A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, and F, open, open, 3, 2, 1, 1. Somewhere in Ann Arbor there. Repeat that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time, no worries. Just replay the video. You'll get it.